Hello everyone, I welcome you today. In this video today, I am going to be sharing with you how you can buy or how you can find real estate deals online. I'll be showing you the top platforms and the strategies that you can use. So let me take it afresh, how to find real estate deals online, top platforms and top strategies to use to get real estate online. Finding lucrative real estate deals online has become easier and more efficient thanks to technology and specialized platforms. Whether you are a seasoned investor or a beginner, locating properties below market value can significantly boost your investment and returns. You know, this is basically the law of buying and selling. You buy low and you sell high. So the difference between the low price and the high price is your profit. This video or this course will guide you. We'll walk you through the best websites, apps, and strategies for uncovering real estate deals online. Why look for real estate deals online? Online platforms offer convenience, variety, and real-time updates on property listings with tools that provide market trends, property details, and price comparisons. You can identify undervalued properties and make informed decisions without leaving your home. Now, these are the top platforms for finding real estate deals online. Number one is Zillow. Zillow is spelled Z-I-L-L-O-W. Zillow provides a vast database of property listings, including foreclosures and auctions. It is best for searching for homes in your preferred location and filtering properties by price, by size, and by status. So the tip I can give you for Zillow is that use the make me move feature to target sellers who are open to negotiation. Number two, online space where you can find real estate, online platform for real estate deals is realtor.com. Realtor.com. The realtor.com offers detailed property insights, market reports, and price history. It's best for locating properties in competitive markets. Check the price reduced section to find deals below market value. Number three place where you can find real estate deals online is Craigslist. Craigslist is C-R-A-I-G-S list. Craig is somebody's name, Craigslist. So this platform is a free platform for private sellers and distressed property listings. It is best for finding off-market deals and negotiating directly with sellers and with buyers. Search for terms like motivated seller or flexer upper. So this is going to help you when you're searching. Number four place to platform to get good real estate deal online is LoopNet. Loop is L-O-O-P, then net, N-E-T. This LoopNet specializes in commercial and real estate listings, including retail, office, and industrial properties. This is best for investors looking to diversify into commercial real estate. And they use advanced filters to find undervalued or distressed commercial properties when you are on LoopNet. Number five place is auction.com. Auction, A-U-C-T-I-O-N, auction.com. Auction.com features, it provides access to foreclosures, bank-owned properties, and property auctions. It is best for investors looking for quick deals at reduced prices. The pro tip for this is that you have to research the property thoroughly before bidding to avoid unforeseen expenses. Number six place is Redfin. Redfin is number six place where you can find a good real estate deal online. So in this case, it offers an intuitive interface, interactive maps, and real-time market insights. That is this one. Let me take the name again. Redfin, R-E-D-F-I-N. So it is best for buyers who want to see how a property compares to nearby listings. Use the Hot Homes feature on Redfin to identify deals likely to sell below market value. Number 7 is Mashvisor, M-A-S-H Visor, V-I-S-O-R. They're written together. This platform focuses on investment properties and offers analytics on potential return on investment. It is best for analyzing rental property performance. Utilize their heat map to pinpoint profitable neighborhoods. Now, we've looked at the platforms. Now let's look at the best apps for locating real estate deals. The number 1 best app is Property Radar. Property Radar, R-A-D-A-R. So this helps you find motivated sellers and distressed properties. Zillow Rentals Manager, ideal for tracking rental property trends. Then we have the Bigger Pockets, a platform that combines property searches with educational resources for investors. Now, you may be wondering that, why am I talking about these places? They are not in Nigeria. Let me let you know that Nigerians buy property abroad. Nigerians from Nigeria also invest abroad. And in fact, for those who have the means, if you want to relocate abroad, one way to do that easily is to buy property abroad. And you can do that right here from Nigeria. You buy property abroad, and then you are a homeowner abroad. Definitely, you'll be allowed to go and see your home. And then when you own the property abroad, you can apply for certain things, apart from stay in those countries abroad, and you will stay. So it's easier for those who have the means from developing countries to relocate. That is why it is easy. So it's not easy for anyone that just does not have the means to relocate. But if you have the means, it's easier. One of the means is real estate. When you own real estate abroad, you automatically have to be around your real estate. So they will allow you. So now let's look at the strategies for finding below market value properties. Now, number 1 strategy is that you have to look for foreclosures. Number 2, you have to monitor distressed properties. So when you see a distressed property, monitor it. It's likely to be on sale soon and at a good price. And you have to look out for that. Then number 3, you have to network with real estate agents. Real estate agents, I have told you that you work with professionals in my previous videos. You work with professionals, they are the ones that are on the field, their ears are on the ground. So they can be able to help you. Then set alert for price drops on the different apps, on the different platforms. Set alert for price drop. When the price drop to what you want, you get the alert, and then you can go in and get the deal. Then explore social media and local groups. So on social media and local groups, people hear things and they put it on the group, and you can be able to get a deal. So forums like Bigger Pockets can connect you to deals not listed on major platforms. Now, how to evaluate online deals? Many people are saying that many online are scam. Yes, many online are scam, not all of them. So how then do you evaluate online deals? Research comparable sales. There are comparable sales. A home is selling for, let's say, $200,000. And then somebody in that kind of home, you know, is going for $200,000, and then you want to buy it at $30. So it's too far apart. So that should give you, it's a red flag. Before you can buy that, you have to investigate and investigate. You have to spend on investigation so that your hard-earned money does not go away. I was with a woman one day, and I was giving her a ride to somewhere, and she was talking with her daughter about a car she wants to buy, a particular car. I don't want to mention the car now, but that particular car, when you drive it, it's notorious in Africa or Nigeria that when you drive it a while after some time, the front wheels can't just pack off while you're in motion. So they want to sell the car. She said it's a Jeep, is this, is that. After I asked her for the make, she told me, she said the car is cheap. So I told her, this is why it's cheap. They want to push it to you because this is the market value of cars. But that particular car have this problem. That's why they want to push it to you. So research comparable sales. Then number 2, assess renovation cost. So think of renovation cost and then add it to what you want to buy and see if it's going to be more than the market value of the house. So that will help you to know whether you should buy it or whether you should still price it down. Factoring renovation cost. Then number 3 thing you need to do, you have to check the neighborhood. Use tools like Google Maps or neighborhood map apps to analyze the area's potential for growth and rental demand. I was invited when I traveled to the US to go and study, to do some research some years ago. We were to hold a get-together at the home. The HOD, head of department, was hosting staff, some senior staff, and then because I was a foreign visitor, a foreign scholar, they invited me in for that program. So he sent the address of the house to our emails that was inviting us. I definitely don't know any area, but I just took the address and I put it on Google, and then the address locator showed me every detail about the house, where the first buyer, how much the first buyer bought it, how much the person living there, the HOD living there now, how much he bought it. This was in the US. We don't have much of that in Nigeria, but what you have in Nigeria is also getting better gradually. You can get an estimate, but this one gives you the exact value of the property. So this is how it goes. So you have to check the neighborhood. Use Google tools like Google Maps or neighborhood maps to analyze the area potential for growth and rental demand. So you can use anywhere you are. When they tell you the area, you can go online, check for how much they are renting house in that area, check for how much they are buying houses in that area, check for how much they are selling houses. Other things you can check online, and you can have an estimate of what the deal you want to go into. So finding real estate deals online requires a mix of the right platforms, persistence, and market knowledge. By leveraging the tools and strategies outlined in this course, you can uncover properties below market value and secure profitable investments. Start exploring today to capitalize on the opportunities the digital age has brought to the real estate market. So you are on to Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel, and that is my name, Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun. I am going to come to you again the next one, but before then, please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, like this video, share the link of this video to family and friends, and then also drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. If you want me to send airtime of 1,000 naira to you right in Nigeria that you are, drop your phone number in the comment section below. Also drop the network, the name of the network, whether it's MTN, whether it's Glo, whether it's Airtel or whatever. Drop it in the comment section also, and I'm going to send the airtime to your line. Now I'm going to do this only for the first person. Why? You have watched up to this point. So that is all for now. Please subscribe to this channel. As I've said again, like this video, share the link of this video to family and friends, and this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now. So go ahead and watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.